Nice! That was beautiful. That was beautiful. What was going on there? How you doing?
How you doing? Good. Who's giving permission?
Oh, we got permission to ride at this building, at this property. The owner.
The owner?
Yeah.
You have permission to do wheelies on the street? Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Who's the owner of the building?
Oh, I don't know the owner of the building. I mean, I know him, but I don't know his name.
So how do you know you have permission?
Because he just came out and talked to us.
When did he do that?
One night we were out here riding. You can call him and ask him. If you get a hold of him, tell him, ask him. He has my name on file.
How many of you guys ride out here?
Anywhere from like on a usual like 5 to 10. But it's yeah, it's one of their birthdays, so we kind of planned a couple people more to come out here. No, I got you, but
I see him doing a wheel on the street, so he gets a citation. He's cool, so that's why I didn't tow him.
I mean, yeah, that makes sense. He was on the road. I got you.
If this guy calls in and says, "Hey, I don't want them on my property,"
totally.
You guys seem like cooperative and
yeah,
cool and everything. You guys just trying to have fun.
Yeah, absolutely. It's just a hobby, man. You know.
Just trust me. I had a bike until I've seen too much stuff.
Yeah, I get it.
But no, I get it. I wish I could have done this kind of stuff. I mean, if they don't have a problem with it in here, I don't. It's when it gets on.
Since we had permission to ride here, they didn't tow his quad. They just gave him a ticket. He got lucky because this area really does not play around with four-wheelers and dirt bikes on the road. I saw him. One. Ooh, that was a nice fucking, it's a Dodge. Starts with a C. I know what it is. Oh, fuck. That cop's coming after us. Fuck. How's it going today, officer?
Good. Can't have that plate like that.
Okay.
Gotta be mounted.
Okay.
Alright.
Sure thing.
You got a motorcycle license and everything, so
yes, sir. Okay. Alright. I'll fix it as soon as I get home.
Inspection on it?
Yes, sir.
Solid?
Yes, sir.
Good boy.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Should I go first? Okay. Don't tell me he's going back after a retard. Oh, please tell me he's gonna fucking... Oh, Mark's so fucked, I'm gonna just sit here then. Listen, he's checking inspection tags. I understand. Alright, do you want me to just meet you at the dam, or... Alright, I'll meet you at Sheets then.
Video. Heute mit den Jungs unterwegs am Derby heizen. Philipp und Lukas auch am Start. Ich muss weg hier.
Hä?
Bullen haben mich verfolgt.
Boah, schnell, komm, Alter. Schnell.